Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So let's see what is predicate interface. So we have to understand first of all what method it has because it's a function interface. So I'll go back to my documentation of Oracle and let's search for predicate. That is predicate with generic type T represents the predicate boolean valued function of one argument. Okay, let's click this and okay, let's open a different tab. So this is a function interface whose function method is test, which takes some object type. Okay, this is more than enough for us. So let's take this content from here. Okay, this is a type, and since it's a function interface, so it must have only one abstract method. So the method is test. There it is. Boolean test takes type. Evaluates the predicate on the given argument. So it returns boolean. That's how you can understand it. So we have a function interface, predicate, and there's one method test which returns boolean. And since it's function interface, you cannot have more than one abstract method. It's done. How to use it? We have a simple method in front of us, and if I have to write lambda expression for this method, I think we can do this now. As per our understanding, we have a good understanding of writing lambda expression. So what we can do, method name does not matter, but we need type. So we can just say type this curly brace our expression and then semicolon. And since it's just a type, we can just say t type arrow and some expression and semicolon. Right? That's how we can write our uh, lambda expression for this particular thing. Let's simplify it. So why we use this predicate interface, or where we use this predicate function interface? Whenever we need to check boolean values, right? Boolean values. So there we can use it. So note. So whenever we need to check boolean values, then we can use predicate interface, right? So that's the only requirement. So if you think that you need a function interface functionality and there's a condition involved there, so feel free to write predicate for this. So let's do this in a practical way in Eclipse, and then we will have some more understanding of it. So stay tuned, we will see this in next video. Bye bye.